Paneer Posto Makhani. This is a vegetarian dish. There is no garlic, onion and ginger. Who don't like garlic, onion and ginger, for them this is a very suitable dish. Please watch the whole video, then you can see how can I made it. Thank you. Hello everyone, Happy New Year's to all of you. For New Year's I already made chicken roast, but chicken roast is not for vegetarian people. There is a lots of vegetarian people in the world. That's why I'm making now a vegetarian dish for all my vegetarian viewers. I am going to make paneer posto makhani. Posto is poppy seed. I will make the dish with poppy seed paste. For that I need paneer and lots of many things I will show you now. Let's start. For making paneer posto makhani, I have here 500 gram paneer. This paneer I made myself at home. This is bio paneer. I have a video of how to make paneer. I will give the link, you can see. I need potatoes, red chili powder, salt to taste, turmeric powder and some panch puron, one tomato, finely chopped tomato and some sugar. This sugar is optional. If you don't want to use sugar, you can skip it, and some green chillis. And here I made posto poppy seed paste with the authentic way. First of all, I do some salt in the karai and I make the karai seasoning, then it will not sticky. Oil is hot. I'm frying now potato. Add some turmeric and little bit of salt. Look, potato not stick in the karai because of seasoning with the salt. Put lid on and fry sometime. Potatoes are golden brown. I will take it out and fry the paneer. Little bit of salt. Carefully I fry the paneer. Paneer also done. Adding little bit of more oil. Add panch puron, green chilli and chopped tomatoes. Add little bit salt. Cover and cook until tomato is cooked. After 1.5 minutes, tomato is cooked. I will put now masala. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, little bit water, mix well. Add fried potatoes. Stir and cook 1 minute like this. Add posto, poppy seed paste. Mix well. After mixing, add water as needed. Cook until potato is done and then add fried paneer. আলু অলমোস্ট সেদ্ধ হয়ে গেছে। দেখো পনিরগুলো দিয়ে দেব। নাড়িয়ে দেব খুব ভালো করে। Potato is done. I added paneer. Add remaining salt to taste. Add little bit of sugar. This is optional. My paneer posto makhani is done. Hopefully all of you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. You try also at your home and comment me how was it. Thank you for watching. See you again. Tata.